What if everything you know about our galaxy is upside down? Imagine looking at the Milky Way billions of years ago and realizing it wasn't facing the same direction it is today. According to new astronomical research, our entire galaxy may have flipped by more than 90 degrees after a colossal collision with another galaxy. This wasn't a minor crash. It was one of the most violent events in the history of the Milky Way, an impact so powerful that it may have completely changed the galaxy's orientation long before Earth, the Sun, or even our solar system existed. So, how can an entire galaxy flip over? And what does this incredible discovery reveal about our cosmic past? Let's dive in. Travel back around 10 billion years. At that time, the Milky Way looked very different. A massive dwarf galaxy was racing straight toward it on a direct collision course. Astronomers call this ancient visitor the Gaia Sausage, a name inspired by the unusual, elongated paths its stars follow today. Instead of passing by, this dwarf galaxy slammed directly into the heart of the Milky Way. The impact was catastrophic. The Milky Way's immense gravity tore the smaller galaxy apart, scattering its stars across space before absorbing them into its own structure. But the collision didn't simply add more stars to our galaxy. Researchers now believe it may have changed the entire direction of the Milky Way itself. Scientists from Durham University used advanced supercomputer simulations to recreate this ancient collision. Elongated, sausage-shaped orbits. These stars weren't born in the Milky Way. They were the remains of the destroyed dwarf galaxy. Like fossil evidence buried inside Earth's rocks, these ancient stars preserve the memory of an event that happened billions of years before our solar system existed. Every orbit tells a piece of the story. Astronomers now consider this to be the Milky Way's last truly major merger. The impact reshaped our galaxy in multiple ways. It helped build the dense central bulge. It filled much of the stellar halo with captured stars. And according to the latest simulations, it may have completely reoriented the galaxy itself. The Gaia Sausage may have been called a dwarf galaxy, but it was still enormous. It contained stars, gas, and vast amounts of dark matter with a total mass exceeding 10 billion times the mass of our Sun. That makes this one of the most important events in our galaxy's entire history. Fortunately, a collision of this scale isn't expected anytime soon. One smaller galaxy, the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, is already merging with the Milky Way today, but astronomers believe its effects will remain relatively modest. Looking much farther into the future, another neighboring galaxy, known as the Large Magellanic Cloud, is expected to merge with the Milky Way billions of years from now. Whether that future encounter reshapes our galaxy as dramatically remains an open question. It's amazing to realize that the calm night sky we see today hides a violent past. Billions of years ago, our galaxy survived a colossal collision that may have flipped its entire structure, leaving behind clues scattered across billions of stars. Thanks to modern telescopes, the Gaia mission, and powerful supercomputer simulations, astronomers are slowly uncovering the Milky Way's forgotten history, one discovery at a time. And perhaps the greatest mystery is this. If our galaxy has already survived one cosmic catastrophe, what incredible surprises are still waiting to be discovered in the universe? If you enjoyed exploring the universe with us, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more incredible space discoveries.